As an image library, you need to insure your assets and also your liabilities. So starting with assets, many of our clients we have long conversations and discussions with regarding their stock library assets. Obviously, for some of our image libraries, this is their life's work and they put quite a large value on it. In terms of the insurance, some of our clients simply choose not to insure but to have lots and lots of contingencies and backups in place. Other clients do the same. They have plenty of backups and contingencies, but they also choose to insure the stock assets in case the worst does happen. So how do we ensure that? Well, we need to firstly put an accurate valuation on the stock library. We can't just say it's worth £1 million or £500,000. There has to be some science behind this. A professional valuation is one option, but also the insurance we can organise, we can do on what is known as an agreed value basis. And in order to do that, the agreed value has to be a reflection of your annual income for the last 2 to 3 years. And the insurance then would effectively help you to reconstitute your library if all the images were destroyed. Professional indemnity that we've designed for BAPLA members, the British Association of Picture Libraries and Agencies, is designed to cover the image libraries if there's an allegation against them in relation to matters such as IP, copyright or breach of license agreements. So many of our libraries have been discussing in detail the effects of the upcoming repeal of Section 52 of the Copyright Designs and Patents Act. That's a good example of where, as a library, you could be held liable for breach of copyright, and it's a good reason to consider buying professional indemnity. Also, as a library, you're the middleman between the photographer and the client. You will obviously put within your contracts that the photographers are responsible for the content within a photograph or image, but if there's a scenario where they haven't obtained model release, for example, you could be held liable as the middleman, especially if that photographer has retired or is no longer available to pass the liability back to. So we work in close partnership with BAPLA. This is really important to us because it allows us to keep up to date with industry changes and allows us to update our policy so that it remains relevant for libraries and agencies. For more videos and information, please visit www.winnieinsurance.co.uk.